Hey guys, Chris Ray here. I decided to start a vlog. Today is my last day walking chickens. I'm about to leave the parking lot, so yeah. I got accepted to Penn State and I'm getting ready to move now. I have a house, so I thought, this might sort of be neat to document what goes on, and the projects I work on. So in this video, I don't really have much, but I'm working on dismantling my lab, and I decided it might be cool to show you guys, well, the last of it. Okay guys, so here it is. Most of the stuff's already packed up. I got my power supply, some books, some tools, my oscilloscope, got my custom 3D printer, and this is all going to be gone. Some of the stuff is going with me to the new house, some of it's probably going to get sold, I don't know, but it's going to be neat to see what I can do with the limited space that I'll have. Okay guys, so it's been a long time since I turned on my camera. Yeah, that video you guys just watched was before June. It's currently June 30th. So, a lot happened. I'm in my new house. Got my lab set up. Let's check that out. Okay, here it is guys. A lot smaller than the old one. Yeah, but I think I have everything I need. I have my helping hands, oscilloscope, soldering iron. Down here I have my lab power supply, which eventually will get mounted right up here. I have the Blue Phoenix that I built. That's been working out awesome. And I've got a drive toaster for it, so I'll be able to work on computers. I have my Amazon Dot set up, which will soon be tied into that, and all this will be voice controlled. Over here I have my 3D printer set up with my extra filament and tools. A couple tripods for recording. Yeah, that's about it. So in classic vlog style, what do you say we go make some lunch? Oh yeah. Okay guys, just finished that sandwich. I was gonna go for a bike ride to burn off all that grease, which I usually don't eat Spam, but that was actually pretty good. Anyways, and I just checked the weather report. It's supposed to give thunder showers in an hour, which, yeah, I wouldn't have guessed that, but hey, I'm no meteorologist. So, instead of a bike ride, I have something to show you guys. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, so I'm on Thingiverse. I'm going to go up here to my dashboard. Check out my latest thing I just uploaded. This is my ultimate print head, which is the same print head I use on my printer over there. I designed it to be super lightweight. It uses a pancake stepper. Here, you can watch the video here. It uses a pancake stepper motor, and the E3D Titan along with the E3D V6 to be super light, and I flipped it around sort of a stupid way to put the nozzle super close to the X-rails. So I'm getting really, really awesome print quality out of this, running at about 100 millisecond, I think. But anyways, so I came on here the other day, and I went over the comments, and I found this guy. Yeah. People don't seem to like him. But I checked out his thing. He doesn't give really any designs for it. He says he doesn't want people to copy the design, which I don't really understand why you'd put on Thingiverse. But I decided to make mine better due to this. So let me get out of here and open up my new design. Here's my new design. That's the green one. On the top here, right here, we have my original awesome print head. There you can see how close that nozzle is to the rails. But anyways, this is my new design, and here I'm actually going to take apart the NEMA 17 stepper motor, replace the back aluminum piece with PETG, and then replace the front aluminum block with more PETG, except this is actually the Titan extruder cut down. So I cut off everything that I didn't need, and then basically added, here, let's do this, there, added the spot for the motor to screw into without the aluminum. So this hole here is going to actually be bigger. The shaft's going to come right through here, and the bearing's going to be on the faceplate here. So let's check that out. This piece right here. So I have that for bearing, and I calculated the area of all these parts, and then calculated their density, their overall weight based on their density, and this here, if I can get it to work, is going to be absolutely insane. Like, it's, here, let me show you this too. Instead of using the E3D, what's it called? Okay, instead of using the arrow, which I think is a pretty interesting design, I feel like it's probably already been done before, but instead of using the arrow, which would be really light, what I decided to do is I'm gonna try and get my own machined, see if we can open this up there. So this is, okay, so you can see there how that's gonna fit. I'm gonna try and machine that. I might end up paying somebody to machine it. It's not gonna be able to get up to like V6 temperatures, but to be completely honest, I don't use any plastic with a higher temperature than like PETG or ABS. So I think that's gonna work out really well. And yes, I'm using SketchUp. A lot of people tell me that I should be using Autodesk, which I do have. I don't know. I just find it faster to work in this, and it works for what I need it for. But anyways, then I'm going to be using the original V6 fan just screwed into the plastic here. I might print out a little mount for it. That'll be negatable weight. But anyways, yeah, I'm excited to see how this works. I can pick up one of these pancake steppers for about 15 bucks on Amazon. So we're going to see if we can't make a super, super light extruder that will be able to beat this thing. I won't really know, I won't really be able to prove it because he doesn't really give any actual plans or parts, because like I said, he doesn't want people to steal the design, but he does give the weight.